Look, picking a mini split shouldn't be as complicated as cooling a reactor core, but you have to look at the right hardware. I'm the HVAC repair guy. With my background as a nuclear power electrician and 17 years in this trade, I've seen what happens when you prioritize marketing over metal. You asked for the truth on Daikin versus Friedrich. So let's look at the ultimate tier matchup, the Daikin Atmosphera and the Friedrich Floating Air Pro. When it comes to the build, these are both top tier machines, but they handle the environment differently. The Daikin Atmosphera features a coated coil, which is a must-have for preventing corrosion and white rust in harsh climates. It also uses R32 refrigerant, which is more efficient and has a lower global warming potential. The Friedrich Floating Air Pro is a beast in its own right, specifically designed with FastPro technology. As a guy who has spent thousands of hours turning wrenches, I can tell you that being able to access the blower wheel and drain pan without tearing the whole unit off the wall is a game changer for long-term maintenance. Both use variable speed inverter compressors, which act like the variable frequency drives we used in the Navy. They ramp up and down to maintain a rock-steady temperature without those massive electrical spikes you get from old-school units. On efficiency, we are looking at the heavyweights. The Daikin Atmosphera is a powerhouse with a 27.4 SEER2 rating. That is elite level efficiency that will slash your power bill. The Friedrich Floating Air Pro isn't far behind, coming in at a very respectable 24.5 SEER2. In the electrical world, those few points of SEER2 mean the Daikin is pulling slightly less current to give you the same amount of cooling. Noise is where your sleep schedule comes in. The Daikin is incredibly quiet, operating at an indoor noise level of about 19 decibels. That's basically the sound of rustling leaves. The Friedrich Floating Air Pro is also designed for ultra-quiet operation, but Daikin generally holds the edge for that library quiet feel. Outside, both units stay around the 55 decibel mark, so you won't have the neighbors complaining when the unit ramps up in the middle of July. Now, let's talk about the damage to your wallet. For a 12,000 BTU single zone setup, the Daikin Atmosphera is a premium investment. The equipment alone often retails between $2,800 and $3,400. Once you factor in a professional installation, you're looking at a total installed price between $5,500 and $7,500. The Friedrich Floating Air Pro equipment is slightly more accessible, typically retailing between $1,600 and $2,000. Your total installed price for the Friedrich will likely land between $4,500 and $6,500. Before the verdict, here's a field tip. Clean your filters every month. These high-efficiency units have very tight tolerances. If you let dust build up, you're choking the system, forcing the inverter to work harder and significantly shortening the life of your control boards. The warranty battle is where Daikin really flexes. They offer a 12-year parts and 12-year compressor warranty, plus a 12-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. That is massive. Friedrich offers a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, but they don't match that 12-year unit replacement guarantee. The verdict is the Daikin Atmosphera. While the initial cost is higher, the 27.4 SEER2 efficiency and the 12-year unit replacement warranty make it the superior choice for a homeowner's long-term bottom line. You're paying for the best engineering on the market, and in my book, that's how you shop like a pro. Shop like a pro and use my comparison tool on the HVAC FR Beginners website to find the right fit for your home.